Hello everyone and welcome to our English course for medical professionals. This is Module 1, Nutrition, and in this first presentation we will talk about healthy diet and the vocabulary you need to talk about healthy diet. Let me first introduce you with your instructors. This is Dr. John Bunting. He is a senior lecturer and director of the Intensive English program at Georgia State University. This is me, Ndeye Binta Mbodj. I am from Senegal and I am at Georgia State to complete my PhD in applied linguistics. Today, we will talk about food groups and nutrients. Our objectives are to identify food groups, name different types of nutrients, indicate their functions, and identify their sources. It is important to note that the content in the following slides is very basic. The main objective here is to introduce relevant vocabulary you need to talk about food, nutrition, and healthy diet. Let's start with some key definitions. Food, as you may already know, is what we eat and drink to help keep us alive and well, to help us grow, develop, work, and play. Diet is the sequence and balance of meals in a day. It is concerned with the eating patterns of individuals or groups. For example, some people only have breakfast and dinner in a day. Others have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And others still may have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some snacks between the meals. These eating patterns constitute their diet. Nutrition is the interaction between food and the body. It is about the nutrients contained in food and their action, interaction, and balance in relation to health and disease. A nutrient is an active chemical component in food that plays a specific structural or functional role in the body's activity. We'll come to that later. There are two groups of nutrients: the macronutrients that are needed in fairly large amounts in the body, and the micronutrients that are needed only in small amounts for body. As I said, there are two main groups of nutrients: the macronutrients needed in fairly large amounts in the body, which include calories, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, and the micronutrients needed only in small amounts, and which include vitamins and minerals.